Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best learning toys is probably one of the most exciting choices for parents seeking to enrich their children's early development. Lakeshore Learning offers a vast array of educational toys and materials designed to make learning fun and engaging for kids of all ages. From interactive games to creative art supplies, Lakeshore provides high-quality products that foster essential skills and spark curiosity in young minds. Number 5. PicassoTiles 60-piece magnetic tiles. Introducing the PicassoTiles 60-piece magnetic tiles. This set is designed to spark imagination and encourage STEM learning. It's perfect for building colorful 3D shapes. These magnetic tiles are ideal for kids aged 3 and up. They provide sensory and Montessori-style entertainment, perfect for family time. It's a great way to learn and play together. The tiles are perfectly sized for small hands, making them easy to handle. Plus, they're compatible with other popular magnetic tile brands, so you can easily expand your collection. These tiles are great for group play and classroom settings. They make a fantastic gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a gift that encourages learning and fun. Safety is our top priority. The tiles are BPA-free and non-toxic, with smooth edges to prevent any accidents. You can rest assured knowing that playtime is both enjoyable and safe for your child. What we like. This set of magnetic tiles is perfect for sparking creativity. It allows kids to build in 3D, encouraging them to think outside the box. If you are looking for a toy that fosters imaginative play and can grow with your child, this is a great choice. It's also compatible with other brands, so you can expand your collection. What people say. The quality of the materials is top-notch. The design is very engaging and keeps children entertained for hours. The product is very durable and can withstand rough play. Number 4. Learning Resources Cash Register Toy. This interactive cash register makes learning fun. It helps children practice addition, subtraction, and money recognition while they play shop and cashier. It has a solar-powered calculator, a cash drawer with a ka-ching sound, a credit card swiper, and a receipt pad. These features create an engaging pretend play experience. The set comes with 73 pieces, including playbills and plastic coins. There's also a pretend credit card, so kids can fully immerse themselves in the shopping experience. Beyond math, it helps children build fine motor skills and social interaction skills. They also develop vocabulary and creative thinking through imaginative play. It's made from high-quality materials to withstand enthusiastic play. The large buttons are perfect for little fingers, and the design is sturdy. What we like. This cash register makes learning math fun. It has realistic features like a calculator and a cash drawer, making it engaging for kids. If you want to teach your child about money and basic math skills in a fun way, this is the perfect toy. It comes with Play Money, so they can start practicing right away. What people say. The quality of the materials is excellent. The design is perfect for little hands. The product is very durable. Number 3. Gamenote Alphabet Letters Kit for Kids. Introducing the Gamenote Alphabet Letters Kit, designed for young learners. This kit is perfect for helping kids learn to spell and recognize letters. It's a great tool for early childhood education. This kit includes 234 letters in 8 bright colors, plus a double-sided magnetic board. It has everything needed to spell common words and sentences. This set is very useful for teaching phonics. The magnetic board can be written on and easily erased. Each box has a letter code for easy sorting. It's a perfect set for small groups and individual learning. The letters are made of soft EVA foam with full cover magnets. They stick to the fridge or magnetic board without falling off. The texture is soft and easy for little hands to grip. Suitable for children aged 4 to 12, with parental guidance for younger children. It's easy for parents and teachers to use at home or in school. It is also easy for a child to carry outside. What we like. This alphabet kit is a fantastic tool for early literacy. It includes a large set of letters in multiple colors, perfect for spelling and word building. If you are looking for a comprehensive learning tool for your child, this set is ideal. It's suitable for a wide age range, making it a long-lasting educational investment. What people say. The quality of the materials is excellent. The product is well designed and durable. The educational value is high. Number 2. Gamenote 2-in-1 magnetic letter board. This double-sided board features uppercase letters on one side and lowercase on the other. The vowels are in red and consonants in blue, making it easier for children to learn the alphabet and grammar. The stylus pen helps children trace the letters, and they'll love the satisfying pop of the magnetic beads. They can then erase the letters with their finger. It also includes stroke and path direction guides. The board is made with solid plastic and has no small parts, ensuring safety for young children. The stylus pen is attached, so it won't get lost. Its size and lightweight design make it easy for kids to hold or place on a desk. It's perfect for car rides, kindergarten, or preschool learning. This board combines learning and fun, and comes in a solid packing box. It's a great gift for holidays, birthdays, or Christmas, sure to delight any child. What we like. This magnetic letter board is a great way to teach kids how to write. It has a double-sided design with uppercase and lowercase letters. If you want a portable and engaging way for your child to practice writing, this is a great option. It's the perfect size for travel, making it ideal for on-the-go learning. What people say. The quality of the materials is excellent. The design is very engaging and the kids love it. The product is well made and durable. Number 1. Learning Resources Pineapple, Fine Motor and Emotional Skills. This fun pineapple helps kids explore their emotions. It's designed to help them understand and express different feelings through interactive play. With 50 mix and match pieces, they can create a variety of facial expressions. This helps them build emotional awareness by seeing how different features create different feelings. The pineapple has faces on both sides, so kids can create two emotions at once. This is great for comparing feelings or showing how emotions can change. Cleanup is a breeze. All the pieces store neatly inside the pineapple. Just remove the crown to keep everything together and prevent lost pieces. Made with soft, child-friendly plastic, this toy is built to last. It's more comfortable to handle and can withstand rough play, making it perfect for little hands. The set includes a full-color emotion guide. This helps children connect facial features with specific feelings, making learning even easier. What we like. This pineapple toy is designed to help children understand and express their feelings. It allows kids to create different facial expressions, promoting emotional awareness. If you want to help your child develop their emotional intelligence, this is a great choice. It's also made of durable materials, so it can withstand plenty of play. What people say. The quality of the materials is excellent. The design is perfect for little hands. The product is very durable and can withstand a lot of use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.